Dear kids, welcome to this video. Today we are discuss in this video basic multiplication question. Now start this video and learn multiplication question with very easy method. 12 multiplied by 4 is equal to, we multiply by 12 multiplied by 4 is equal to, think about this. Let's solve this question very easy method. 12 is a big number, so we write above, and 4 is a small number, so we write below 12. 12 multiplied by 4 is equal to, if we know correct answer, so we write table of 12 and read this table. 12 1 the 12, 12 2 the 24, 12 3 the 36, and 12 4 the 48. So 12 multiplied by 4 is equal to 48. 48 is the correct answer.